Ravi, is that your friend? Should we invite him inside for lunch? I meant to eat with us, not your lunch. I know you're in protest. I've already been watching this showdown for like a minute, so. I admire his discipline. I've had cats that would have just literally freaked out by now. Fun fact, he was never domesticated before he got to me, hey? Well, that was a whole learning curve, but anyway. Yeah, he's a hunter, man. And you know how those jungle cats just sit there? Uh-oh. Just sit there and watch and wait. Oh my goodness, is he gonna pounce? Sir? Sir? Well, the pigeon's brave, let's call it what it is. What are we doing, Ravi? Oh, okay, just in time to end the